After a long hiatus, I am back. And today we have Crankcase from the Transformers Legacy line. I'm excited for this guy for a couple of reasons. We don't have a lot of trigger cons, and also I like to complete my IDW Scavengers setup. Unfortunately, this Crankcase does not have a damaged brain. So, here we have some artwork of him in vehicle mode on the side. We have our artwork in robot mode. On the side, we have the Legacy Decepticon artwork. Back, some product shots. He's actually in an action shot there. Some things to scan, some legal on the bottom, and Legacy logo on the top. Let's grab Mr. Pointy and free Crankcase from this prison. My entire introduction and how I forever associate his character is with the IDW run of him being part of the ex-Decepticon group, the Scavengers. And the box is empty now. There's the instructions, which we may need later on. Legal. And there is Crankcase. Right there is the accessories. Come on. A lot of tape on these. Alright. There are his guns. Oh, that's not his guns. That's his, that's actually his grill. Okay. Well, that's going to be interesting to put on. Or interesting that that's on. And here is his gun, which is clear. I was not expecting that to be clear. It's very smoky clear, but gives it a nice little look, little effect with the smoky clearness. All right, all that's left is to free Crankcase himself. Significantly less. Oh, come on. Significantly less strapping than Point Blank and Peacemaker. And now that is empty, so it's just him. So yeah, for starters, this guy is actually a retool of Legacy. Something seems frozen there. Yeah, he's actually a retool of Legacy. Oh my God, skids. Ooh. Hopefully I didn't break anything. That was locked in there. So I'm interested to see how the Why do you want to stand that way? All right. Then we can give him his gun slash grill here. And there's his other gun. Get Mr. Pointy out of there. And there is Crankcase in his robot mode. See if we can get a full shot there. Better lighting. Side view. Back view. Yeah, this guy definitely looks a little different than Skids. But I can see by the general shape, I can see where the retooling comes from. All right, let's get the weapons out of here and let's try to transform. That part obviously floppy, so that does something. I'll start with the feet. Like I said, this guy, my experience is from my only point of reference for his characterization is from IDW, which I adored his characterization there. He was brain damaged and all kinds of actually, that's all I can recall for some reason. He was brain damaged. He had a hole in his head, but he was part of the Scavengers, which had to be one of my favorite invented groups for that IDW run. Well, I bet you that's gonna go down like that. Okay. This is going to be a very simple transformation, I bet. But yeah, a little background on Scavengers. They would just basically go around, and after the Decepticon and Autobot war was complete, they would just fly around, look for battles, and get what pieces they could to make some money. Most of them had some form of PTSD, which I thought was really interesting to explore in the Transformers comic. I mean, after millions of years of war, you were bound to have some kind of mental problems, even if the war has ended. Huh. There we go. That piece does not want to stay on the bottom, or does not want to connect. And the arms just go in like so. There should be a tab right there and there. Doors go down. We can bring that bottom piece up and tab that into the roof. Yeah, those legs don't want to stay tabbed together for me. There we go. I'm hearing some good clickies. Of course, that untab there. I think the back wheels need to be. All right, he's rolling. All right, so then we just fold the gun back into a grill. Pop that right on there. And we can throw his smoky barrel up top. Now, I see that's supposed to tab into there and there. We have some tolerance issues somewhere. So it's not quite right. Oh, there we go. I think that's as good as he's going to get. And there is Crankcase, Transformers Legacy Crankcase in vehicle mode. And like I said, he is a TriggerCon, member of the Scavengers and IDW. It looks similar, and the overall shape of the figure is similar to Skids, but he's different enough that I would not say, oh, look, that's just Skids. Nope. That is Crankcase. Let's see if I can quickly transform back into robot mode. This is always easier than the vehicle mode lately. A few untabbings, retabbings. Short, cantankerous, or grumpy, if you want. Getting his little missiles down there. And there we go. There we have Transformers Legacy Crankcase. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't already. And make sure you hit that bell so you're notified of future videos. And as always, thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.